Our project name is Lumintu House. Lead architect, Realrich Sjarief. Location, Indonesia. I want an experimental house that will push the creativity, said Rubianto, the client. Our studio, Realrich Architecture Workshop then set a benchmark of how the home should be comfortable in a tropical climate. The temperature is 27 degrees Celsius by a series of openable steel fins on the west and south. In the middle of the house, we designed an active fan and wind tunnel to lower humidity and provide an air stacking effect inside the house. For thermal protection, the fins outside are extended as a 3.5 meters canopy on the ground floor, providing a shaded space similar to sitting under a tree. This design also protects the surrounding plants from excessive sunlight and forms a soft, seamless transition, reflecting the philosophy of Lumintu. And curved forms on a facade. The house consists of a living room, dining room, guest room on the ground floor with 3 bedrooms on the upper floor, gymnastics, and home office. The service with separate access is located at the back of the home, and the mezzanine level is integrated with gymnastics. Skilled craftsmen who collaborate inside the architecture studio play a crucial role in the construction, meticulously bending each steel component one by one. The concrete catenary opening and surface feel is also shaped as part of metaphors of Plato's cave and structure to hold large glass. The spacious, 11-meter span column-free main area on the ground floor integrates seamlessly with the outdoor space and inner courtyard, expanding the feeling of openness, facilitating natural airflow with a wind tunnel and ceiling fan offering views of the tropical landscape from within the house. The house also features an air gap between the roof and the floor below. This gap allows hot air trapped between the floor plates and the ceiling to escape, creating effective cross-ventilation between ceilings. High ceilings and skylights optimize natural lighting, while ventilated openings are covered with mesh to prevent insects from entering the building. Lumintu House also has a rooftop garden for private dining and a light canopy that provides insulation for the spaces below.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family.